Hello student, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Getsitement. The HTTP protocol are very relevant to this course. These protocols define how your internet browser communicates with the web. HTTP protocol are very relevant to this course. These protocols define how your internet browser communicates with the web server to display your website. Keep in mind that a web page and its contents are transmitted in the form of data packets, just like any other type of file. You can think of web server as a computer that hosts a website or a web application and is configured to accept remote connection with internet user and relay data through the HTTP or HTTPS protocols. Note that HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, while the HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Let's start with taking a closer look at the process. When we type a web address into our web browser, so for example www.youtube.com, our modem communicates with our internet service provider to translate this web address into a numerical IP address. This is done through DNS domain name server. These are administered by our ISP or internet service provider. The domain name server is a list of domain names and their corresponding IP addresses. Sometimes your ISP may not be able to locate the IP in their DNS records. At this point, your ISP would take it a step further and query other authoritative DNS servers for the IP. Once the IP is found, it sends this data back to your web browser. Your web browser that sends a GET request to the IP address, and if the request is successful, the contents of the web page are delivered through data packets and display your web browser. A GET request for www.youtube.com will look something like this: GET and then protocol and the name of the host. This is the IP address for the google.com web page. If GET request is successful, google.com will send back packets with the HTML code for the home page. HTML is the programming language that instructs your web browser on how to present the page. It tells the browser where each object, text, images, videos should be placed and where they are located. That is end of video. In the next video, I will explain about HTTP protocol and security certificate. Okay, thank you, bye. Getsitement को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।